everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. For today's video, I'll be teaching you how to get the perimeter and area of a square and rectangle. First, let us define what is perimeter and area in math. When you say perimeter, it is the total length of the lines that form a shape. So in short, it is the measurement of the sides of a square and a rectangle. Where for area, it is the surface included within a set of lines. So I will be demonstrating it to you. So I have here a square and a rectangle. And in getting the perimeter of a square, you just have to get the total measurement of its side, while getting its area is the surface included within those lines. The same with rectangle, just have to find the total length of the sides, and for the area of rectangle, you just have to look for the surface included within a set of lines. In getting the perimeter and area of a square and rectangle, you just have to remember these things. For square, since all the sides are the same, so P to get the perimeter equals 4 times the side. Since all the sides are the same and there are 4 sides for square, so in getting the perimeter, you just have to remember that you multiply the side by 4. While in getting its area, you just get the measurement of one side and multiply it to itself. So that's why we have here s squared, because the 2 here means that you're multiplying side to itself. And then for rectangle, in getting the perimeter of rectangle, since it's not the same with square that all the sides are the same, so you will do like this. Twice the length, since there are 2 lengths there, plus twice the width. So therefore, in getting the perimeter for rectangle, twice the length plus twice the width. And for area, you just multiply the length and the width. So I have here some examples for you to understand it better. So I have here a square with a side of 5 centimeters. So let's try to get its perimeter. And as what I've said earlier, in getting the perimeter, you just multiply the side by 4. So since the side is 5 centimeters, you will multiply 4 by 5. So that means the perimeter of that square is 20 centimeters. And for area, since the side is 5 and I said it's 5 squared, when you say squared or the small 2 there, it means that you're going to multiply it to itself. So 5 times 5 equals 25 centimeters squared. Please be careful for the unit. If it's perimeter, you just simply copy because you're just simply adding the sides. But for area, since it's already a 2-dimensional, that means you have to really put 2 here. That means you're multiplying the 2 dimensions of that object. So for rectangle, we have here a rectangle with a length of 8 centimeters and a width of 5 centimeters. So in getting its perimeter, you just double the length, so 2 times 8, plus you double the width, which is 5. So 2 times 8 is 16, plus 2 times 5 is 10. So that means the perimeter of that rectangle is 26 centimeters. While in getting its area, you just simply multiply the length and the width, which is 8 times 5, and 8 times 5 will give you 40. And do not forget the unit centimeters squared. Another example is we have here a square with a side of 4 inches. So to get its perimeter is you will just multiply the side by 4. So 4 inches times 4, it will give you 16 inches. So that's the perimeter of that square. And in getting its area, it's 4 inches squared, or multiply it to itself. So 4 by 4. So that's still 16 inches squared. Do not forget the squared again. And for this rectangle, the length is 7 inches and the width is 4 inches. In getting its perimeter, you will just twice the length, so twice 7 inches, add it when you double or twice the width, which is 4 inches. So 2 times 7 is 14, plus 2 times 4 is 8, and 14 plus 8 is 22 inches. That's the perimeter of the rectangle. And in getting its area is that you will simply multiply the length and the width, that's 7 inches, times 4 inches, and that will give you 28 inches squared. So I do hope you learned something from this very simple video tutorial in math. And thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you again next time.